guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you all how I install the C-part wig from Yebue Wigs. So I'm first going to be showing everything that came in the package. So here we have a card with all the information, with their website, their Instagram and stuff in the back. We got a pack of eyelashes, a pack of wig caps, a wooden comb, an edge brush, a double-sided edge brush. One side has a brush and then the other side has a comb. And lastly we have the wig. So as I said before, this is a T-part wig. It's 26 inches, 180% density, and it is straight here. So T-part wigs does not have, this is my first T-part wig, and it doesn't have much lace space in the front, so you can't really do that much with it than the style that it actually came in. So this is a side part. I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera, and now I'm moving on to doing my ball cap. So I'm just applying one of the caps, and I'm going to be spraying that with my Got2b glue spray. Blow dry it and cool. And I'm also going to be applying some foundation. Before I apply the wig, I went ahead and removed some of the makeup just where I would be gluing down my wig. And usually I do my hair before I do makeup, and that was a really big mistake I made this time, was doing my makeup first. So if you saw at the beginning of the video, I have on like a different makeup look and all that, because I had to redo the wig. The first time I didn't really like how it came out, so I did it over, and for the most part it's because I did my makeup first. So yeah, I just applied some foundation to the lace also, and then I'm going to be moving on to applying the wig. I used the ebony lace spray in the red bottle, and I did 2 layers of this. So I sprayed it, blow dried it on cool, sprayed it another time, blow dried it again, and then I'm going to stick it down. And after I'm finished doing that, I'm also going to be spraying another layer on top of the lace. Next, I tie down the lace for like 10 to 15 minutes before I'm going to move on to cutting off like all the excess lace. So I'm using a small scissors and I'm just going to be cutting slits in between, and then I'm going to be cutting that in a zigzag motion. So after I was finished cutting away the excess lace, I went ahead and tied down the wig again for like another 15 minutes. And you see here, this is why I would never do my makeup before my hair again, especially with a wig, because that was a mess. So here I'm just moving on to doing my edges, and after my edges are completed, you guys would see the second day of which I applied the wig, and it was a lot better. Okay, so moving on, I reapplied the wig. I actually washed it and everything, and I reapplied it, and I'm just moving on to doing my edges. So what I did was I sprayed some hairspray, allow that to dry, and then I used a small flat iron to curl them upwards. Next, I used the edge brush, the comb part of the edge brush, to just kind of like form the edges to the way in which I would like them to be before I went ahead and applied glue. Not glue, gel. So the gel that I use is the Gorilla Snot gel in the yellow packaging, and I'm basically just applying this to the base of my edges, and then I'm just going to swoop them to my liking. So here you can see I sprayed some of the ebony lace spray to my edge brush, and I'm going to be using that to help form my edges in the way I would want them to be, and this helps your edges last a lot longer in my opinion. So this is something I always do. Sometimes I would use this, or sometimes I would use the Got to Be spray. After I was done with that, I just went ahead and blow dried my edges, and then I'm going to be tying that down with an elastic band for a few minutes again so that it would set into place. And I went ahead and did my makeup. So now for the last part, I'm just going to be flat ironing the hair. So the products that I use to flat iron my hair are the ORS olive oil, heat protectant serum, and I also use the 5-second detangler for wigs from Yebue, New York. So I first sprayed the detangler all the way throughout my hair, and then I applied some of the heat protectant. Moving on to flat ironing my hair, I'm going to just start by sectioning it off, and I'm going to start by flat ironing from the back. The flat iron that I use is the Curl Confidence 2-in-1 flat iron and curling iron. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this wig is from Yebue Wigs, and this is the straight 26 inches teapot wig. So I usually see a lot of people say that they don't like teapot wigs, which I kind of understand because it doesn't have much hair at the front. It doesn't give you the freedom to do like different styles and stuff on a wig, but for me, I like it because like it's in a side part, it stays like that, and if you're feeling to put it on, you can put it on very easily and go. I love the fact that you don't really need to like hot comb anything to flatten it and all of that. All I did was apply it, flat iron it, and that's it. So I feel like this is a great wig if you're a beginner, because customizing lace and hairline and all that is not easy to do. So I really like this wig. The quality is nice, the quality of the hair is nice and all of that. It's just that you don't have much freedom to create different styles. So I'm just going to let you guys watch as I complete flat ironing my hair, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Please follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be down in my description box. Like this video, comment down below, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, please turn on post notifications so you won't miss any future videos. Also follow Yebue Wigs. All of their links to their Instagram, their website, their YouTube channel, and everything will be down in my description box, so please be sure to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video.